Baby, I just wanna dance, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't really care, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, hi everyone. And welcome to Beautiful You TV. Today we're going to do Rihanna's new video, Who's That Chick? Inspired makeup look. So if you want to know how to do this bright makeup look, then stay tuned.
Okay, let's begin. First of all, take NYX's Jumbo Pencil in yellow and apply it to your moving lid. We need this as a base for our yellow eyeshadow. Don't forget to add some pencil to the inner corner of your lower lash line. And it should look something like this. Now take flat shader brush and smudge all the harsh lines. And it should look like this. Now take 120 palette by Manly and with 239 brush by MAC, apply this gorgeous yellow color on the top of your pencil. Now take the palette again and with 111 brush by the Makeup Store, apply this gorgeous brown color to your crease. And if you feel that you don't have enough color, then just add some. So far it looks like this. Now take 220 per brush and apply this whitish yellowish color as our highlight. Take the pencil brush, I'm using the one by MAC, and smudge the harsh lines of the color that we have applied to the crease. It should look like this. Now take the same brush that we have used before, apply some black color on it, and just add depth to our crease. And then smudge the color. It should look like this. Now take an angled brush and Black Track Fluid Line by MAC and apply the liner to the upper lash line, to the lower one, and in order to make our eyes pop, apply some color to the waterline as well. And so far it looks like this. Now take a small brush by Dior and apply this gorgeous green color from the same palette to your lower lash line. Alright, let's apply some eyelashes. I'm using the ones by Hot Candy and these are 2 for 1. Apply eyelash adhesive to your hand and dip the lash line into the glue. And then just apply it where needed. So far it looks like that. Apply some mascara to the lower lash line. Now let's apply some blush. I'm using Pink Provocateur by Too Faced and I apply it to my cheeks and temples. Now take 66 palette, lip palette by Coastal Scents and apply this gorgeous pink lip gloss to your lips. And yes, here's the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, guys. As you can see, it's extremely easy and very fast. If you want to improve the look and add something to it, then apply a red wig as Rihanna has. Well, obviously her hair is natural, but you will look more like her if you want so. And yes, here it is. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have fun. Bye!